Maroiba Pauda, Okhol District Manung Hanjinba Kaso Fungda, Lambitong Bipam Patabadege, Ana Yegaropada Sakai Saraga kilometer Tara Manipuri. Kurumjari, Noon-Istv Pauming Tabib Simbu Taram Noxari Hosipau Sanon Pizari. Okhol District Manung Hanjinba Kaso Fungda, Lambitong Bipam Patabadege, Ana Yegaropada Sakai Saraga kilometer Tara Manipuri. Kolasi Okhol District Headquarter dagi kilometer Chamaga Subna Marirom Lapna, Myanmar Gatainaba, border pillar number Chamaga Kulmatho Masung Chamaga Kulitho Gimalta, Labani. Kolasigi, DS Zimik Koba, Mue Amana Fundorapada, PMJ, SYG, Lambiasi Pibam Zadre, Sayaturel, Matakta, Tong, Sabidabana, Kudong Chadabakaya Mayonari, Kul Asidagi. Laisingam Saizako Mue Emma, Masangam Laktabadagi, Sagai Saraga, kilometer Taramuk, Kutoraklaga, Sayaturel Mapal Fauba, Putoraklaga, Trakna Amuk, Kulgi, Laisipung Christian Hospital Dalakanari. Siruidagi, Kasopung Paupasi, kilometer Samaga Humrum Sangi, Lambiasi, Asoiba alignment, Semdok Nanaba, Ilisagani Tarama Pangizungi Marida, Okhol District Headquarter, the Pangtokiba, Cabinet Mipamda, Putoktuna. Kanaraba Matungda, Matambuki Chief Minister N. Birena, Marilenabada, Semdok Nava Kangan Kibalai Krabani, Adubunga Sipauba, Marilenaba Singna, Yagindabada, Kunza Singna, Pendava Pungdarli. PUCL report ki matangda Kurai SC MLA L Sosilrona, Maki Mayumda Mipam Pangtoktuna, report adu Lana, Haizenba, Masung, Miyambo, Lana Lamjing Naba Putopa report ni Haikre. Kurai SC Club Amadi Maira Pai Gi Luchingbi Kiana Yadana Pangtokpa Mipam Aduda, Emelena, PUCL report as Nakal Nama Yoibam Yengda Putopa report ni, Masina, Asumbabu, Kudong Triningai Oiba Mongda, Bubudanatana, Stadasta, Wana Purakliba Tangduletaba Pibamda, Akaiba, Pirakani, Masagi Matakta, Sedasi, Saruk Tona, Tukaibada, Mateng Oigani, Maramaduna, report Asiki Mayakta Miam Hupna, FIR, Sangsinsi Haiki, Jansinsi Haiki. PUCL report Manipur Irang, Infaldagi, Han Hobani, Aduga, Jingdagi, Kut Halakpani Habawapamasi, Aranbani. Report asi Handoktuna, PUCL na Miamda Lale Hazagatabini Haina, Delhi Maite Coordinating Committee na Haikre. Delhi the Pangtokiba Pau Gimipam Amada, Convener Dr. Seram Rogers na, PUCL na Fong Liba report asigi executive summary da, Infaldagi Lan Horakibani Haibasina, PUCL na Maitegi Wafambo, Tawaide Haibadu Takpani, DMCC na PUCL gi Delhi Tribunal da, Pikibo Wafam Sing Amadi report sing Mayak Seng na Hapti Haiki.
In this report, it says that the Meitei police. So they said that the state government and the police were helping the Meitei. Look at how the police was helpless when the last number of people came and they attacked. Police was not doing. That is how the problem, the violence was started. There is a chapter called how the violence was started. Of course, they have documented about the 8 testimonies from the Meitei community, and all of them have clearly said that at around 2:50, they were informed that after the rally from Sosambu's side, last number of people are coming and they are going to attack you. They were surprised. They did not know what to do. And then it is not very far from Sochampur town to this Dorung area, maybe around 10 minutes. So last number of people came and they suddenly started attacking to them. They did not know why they were attacked.
Women's rights activist Elizabeth Nasu PUCL gi Nakal Namakaki Oiba report Asina, Irang Asigi Warishan Puraknamagi Mamita de Haiki.
The victims are hurt again, which we were not expecting. This is something that we have to figure it out as a women's rights activist. I'm not saying activism either. My plan is, or my thought is that I'm just a contributor to the cause only. But when we thought a fair deal, at least what have not been captured will be captured from the perspective of a human perspective. But vilifying is what that we found, because when I say when the imbalance is there, that you know that the system, something is not right.
Manipur Youth Front of Assam Maifana Sanduna Laimarembi Indu Prabha Sanglen Binakandi Part 2 Kasar Assamda Imalon Kanma Numit ki thoram apung fana pangthokre thoramasta Manipur Youth Front of Assam Maifa gi President Thangjam Rosen Manipuri Autonomous Council Demand Coordination Committee gi Chairman Kangabam Santi Kumar Manipuri Language Advisory Board Site Academy New Delhi gi member aduga Manipuri Language Protection Coordination Committee gi Chairman su oriba Dr. K.N. Chan All Assam Manipur Meira Paibi Apun Baluf ki Vice President Pravharani Sharma All Assam Manipuri Women Meira Paibi Coordination Committee ki Joint Secretary Case Nomita Devi ne chingmana saru yaki Maitai Mek Tambada Wangna Fangba Miyoi Tarada su Diploma Certificate kusinaki Manipuri Youth Friends of Assam gi Chief Advisor Seram Herazina August Kumapanasi Assam da Soina Kundarakpa Manipuri Singi Kwaidagi Harauba Nungaiba Numit Amani Assam lengangna Manipuri lon asibu Assam manungda chatnaba yaba lon ama oina Assam ki assembly da mamangi sahi English ngani kunmari gi August ki kumapanda pass tawduna Assam da joina khundariba Manipuri ekhoi Manipuri lon asibu Assam lenga ki office singda chatnaba yarani haina pass tawkiba numit asibu Manipuri Youth Kangruf Assam na numit asibu chahi khudingi imalon kanma numit haina thoramasi pangthokpani Assam da soina khundariba Manipuri khudimangna mathangi chahidagi Khungangi Club NGO Meira Paibi Ima Khuding Makna Numit Asibu Imalon Kanban Numit Haina Pangthokpiu Haiki Manipuri Youth Front of Assam Maifagi President Thangjam Brosena Maitai Amadi Maitai Muslim Singasi Lining Tongan Labasu Imalon di Punbana Ekhoi Masen Nusinana Laigadabani Haiki Moirang SC ki manung dalaiba khungang khuding open gym amamam thamnaba pandamda SC ki MLA Thongam Santina sangsilaki ba khongthang gi sarokama oina SC ki khungang ahong gi open gym gi masak sing khungang sing asigi youth sing amadi development committee singi khothangda kushina kre ngasi MLA masan hakteng na sak yadana gym gi masak athum sing kusinna kraba khungang sing ajudi Didim Belta Sunusifai village amadi Naran Sena village loinana loya lamda tera khongsang bi village ni Jimgi Masak Singh Kushina Kibaduga Mari Lenana, Emelena, Magna Sangsilaliba, Kongtangasi, Maki Assist Lariba, Yusingbu, Jinjang Kajang Davakuna, Emma Henaba, Renana, Ahalaman, Ladibu Singusu, Masamo, Fana Lehenaba Wakalonda, Pakat Pakongtangi, Ate Warhuriba, Kungang Singh, Kol Singi, Nini Humni Asida, Polam Singh, Kusinaragani Haiki.
Hello, like Rusing, and they say, I'm to support the Vidaga. You sit in the Natala, I could you but the Quina, Hassan Sajento, Apaba, a way put 600 Levia, and Jamo, Panjib, the logo they have you a color, some popular per se, Aina, Ayan can be put on boy, making Kaiku, Seri, Matum the soup. At the back, I go to Tona, Panga, Happy Duna, Maran Kendabo, Manipur, Apaba. Indiagi state long way the product number one of that. Mayam now happy that they showed them a mechanic comes up what is a concentration.
Imphal is district Manung Chana Andro SC Labada Ngarian Forest Sinkhong de Horaga Andro Kachel Fawagi Lambi Pathona Bagidama Kairao Bitragi ADC Jolihana Ibixan Tonabagi demarcation Toribasi Niom Sumna Tohonbu Haina Kunza Singna Fongdorli ADC Masamak Yawn officer Singalona Hana Toramba Mapamdagi Amu demarcation Torapada Lam Mapuga ADC ga Awayakum Kya Tonaki Masigi Batanga ADC na Toriba Tawangasi Lam Mapu Singna Pendi Haina Fongdoki
Mayam the Prada Mayam Zina Hangis the City eviction Zina Kaikumbo objection legate eviction in process in Jiloina cannot of you accumulated. Magi Oirak Oireba Magi Mutuda Magi Wakal to the Magi Mutuda set for eviction the Makalgi Apagi demarcation jet. City Tawaji the Masiti Nium the land and a Kali. Ahan with the Magi Mapamajida Gina Siji put Kara Kun Muki Mayani, Shiki variation Jikaramina put her upon Kamina Lehen Banozineva. Tauriba, Aquagi Sarkar, Sinatoga, Odaramatoga, Tauriba, Togada in processing eviction Togadoji, Magi Wakalking Aki as how was how the Magi Mutta set drivers in Eva. As an Asenba Quagi Hujiki Kanosi put Lak Piraga, Pubiraga, Asenba Pataduka, Loina, 1960 the book based the war Gera. As 1950 the book based the war Gera, Asen with the Puraga Tobiova. amukna asida tare na haira me aduga hujina mo put kun hena songnara hena changjal laga su ena hai dise asmai tawdra yum singji masigi leiriba yum singji smaina effect loina tawbagi pora ma leibe se masi makti yamna nungai jete
paugi mathana tenba prem tanlongzari
honglakliba punsigi lambi sida araiba cha yaba makhai sasinari adone hidak langthak kayama sadaba yarakte sasilliba singduna adomgi liver da kayam sokhalli khangbibra liver nabu soklaba chaning thakningba phawdaba puk nungai taba khong hamba nungai raktaba amadi kuchu kumen senghallakti kuding maksibu ngaktokke hairabadi jolip 100% natural syrup amadi capsule
Jolip 100% natural syrup and capsule.
dada
Yung magigano, alam mo tamo, sige yung se, next time tinacheksin na laksilo ka tamo ka ba ni Ned?
dada nang se juhar habaga amta kidrabo
Asum na, mayam na machalbog na option lugum, masige yung masibog, asuya nga ko kada batagi, next time tina ngap seli. Next time juhar habating ngap tok na nabasim mani. Zaman mo isi na mana, concrete ka tok na tinaba matanda, kapag ng amok na hinggal adli. Next time strength is in the quick.
matamgi nungsit nungsa amadi ainga sana maram moiraga lok tungba amadi khubana singba tatana thohalli pumna maksibu khudakta phanba ngamlaba kapidon cup syrup 100% herbal product ni lok khubada natana nakmahi chelaba amadi khangnaw maring chatlaga lok kangkhu khuraba kapidon cup syrup thakpiu kapidon cup syrup
break mathung taram na moksari makhataba pawda kumbi ase ki manung janba wangu samusang litan makhong taba meter chamarom oigadaba lambi ase yamna phattabagi matangda social media da thagatuna sara salakpadagi kumbi ase ki MLA Prem Chandra Masa mapam madura satuna yangsing kibakulena social media da thagaluba miyoi amadi lekai adugi club ki luchingba kaya ka su unaduna punna wakhal taminakre lambi adugi matangda su mainenaba sing SDC kumbi da su khanganduna lairiba lambi adugi naketa tariba yum sing adugi chapchaba demarcation तौनबसु MLA ना खुदकता मरिलेंडब सिंगदा खंगन खेबगी मतुंग इन्ना डिपार्टमेंट की मियोइसिंग लाक्तुना डिमार्केशन तौख्रे डिमार्केशन अदुदा लंबी अदुगी नाकलदा होरिबा ओवा सिंगदा नतना लेरिबा युम खरसु सोकपा यावरमले हाइरि हाना लंबी अदु सेमदब होनबदा लंबी अदुगी नाकलदा होबा उवा अमा अनिखक सोलुबदा लंबी अदुगी नाकलदा खुंदारिबा युमसिंग अदुगिनि हाइदना सोकपा यारमदबा अदु ngасidi पुन्ना डिपार्टमेंट यावना सर्वे तौबदगी यानखरे लंबी अदुगी नाकलदा होरंबा उवा सिंग अदु JCB सिजिनदुना लोकतोकपा होख्रे लंबी अदुगी मतंगदा मॉडल क्लब वांगुगी सेक्रेटरी अमोम विनोयना लंबी असि कैराग हना सेमलबसु नोंग खरे हेक सुबगा इसिंग सेंथोफम लेटबना लंबी असि हेक्ता पिबम जादबा अमदी लंबी असि के नाकलदा होरिबा उवा सिंग असिसु सोंजन बना मरम ओइरगा खुदोंग चादबा थेंगरंबा दु तुंग कोइना चटपि यागदबा लंबी अमा ओइरकनबा कुंबी एसि के MLA गी मियंग मखादा होनरकलिबा सिदा ngasi lamjing maira youth club amadi wangu model club ki thomi singnasu mateng pangduna punna honari haiki life skill gi matang da Lions Club of Imphal Central na sinduna discussion program amang ngasi pasoi part 4 da leba Millennium School da pangchokre Rohit Mehta Lions case week kamari lenena pangtok pathoram aduda Lions Club of Imphal Central gi maruiba thau puba singa mairoi singa khanana nabagi mifama pangthokki Thailand is athariba UCI Class 1 Track Asia Club lisingani kudmangada Indiana medal ahum laure pursuit event India gi Harshitana gold kilometer amagi time trial da Aditya bronze amadi Ronaldo na nupagi kilometer amagi time trial da bronze medal funky Reslak badamariba paw manipizari Okhrol district ki manung hanjin ba kaso fungda lamitongi bibin patabadagi anai ga yorapada sagai sara kilometer jara hena puri Hasi pabigin dia 7 episode Manipuri paw matang salo jare min tabib sung mamukana kurum jare